Hi guys! It's March 20 and it's the Eid holiday. And our gana for today is we booked a hotel in Jumeirah, so it's called Hyatt. And we're actually on the way there. We just stopped over here sa may Zoom para magpagas and to buy some snacks since we didn't have lunch yet. So I'll show you guys later kung ano yung mga magiging ganap namin and kung ano yung itsura ng hotel. Bye! We have hot dog and Lay's. How about you? What do you have?
Chips.
Hi kids!
Hello, we're in the hotel.
Where are we? We're inside. So this is Grandma and Grandpa's room. Connecting room siya kina Asen. Hi! There's a sofa, bed, desk. Almost the same actually. Ah, they don't have bathtub. 710? 730. Danya, hi! Time to swim! We're here!
Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
We're done swimming. So actually maaga pa, 4:30 pa lang, until 8 PM yung pool. Pero ang lamig kasi, so nag-ahon na yung mga kids. And I don't know na anong next namin gagawin. So I'll just update you guys. Magbabanlaw muna kami. Nana, where are you going? Nani? Where are you going? Shh, bata. Nana, say hi to Ami. Ah, pay na, pay. Pay na natin, pay. Patayin ka. He got some ice cream. So this is 3 dirham, so 45 pesos isa. Gara na itsura niya actually. Bakit ka dito itsura niya? So I have potato wedges, some rice, and ribeye steak. Sabi mo
Ay,
siya.
no fighting, ha? Kapag mo, malatakot ang mama na.
Emmy! You want to put out? Wow, Enzo!
Now the elephant and Peppa.
Ate Lapagan, dali ate. Ay, nakikilap. Di naman alam. Uy, wag ba naman tuunan si Anuya?
Ay, dati, dati, dati.
Al. Yeah, siya din, siya din. Freeze!
Mommy, no one's saying something about
Don't move, Nana, don't move.
May paano ganyan?
Boy, boy, oh. Okay.
So, time check, 12 a.m. na. Tapos, nag-alert. And may narinig kaming dalawang sound ng interception. I don't know, bomb or what. Sabi actually sa baba, pag daw nag-alert ng ganito, bababa. Pero, hindi namin alam kung bababa kami kasi tulugan na eh. Pero may dalawang magkasunod ang lakas. Ay, naka-flash. Oh no, ataan niya. Nagising siya. Tatanong kami sa reception. Ang kain niyo dyan. Nana. Hi, good morning. These are everything that I got as a non-breakfast person. Hey guys! It's the next day and nakapag-check out na kami. It's almost 1 p.m. and after this, we're going to eat at Ichiryu. So it's a Japanese restaurant. And matagal na daw nila gusto yung kainan. And since we're near there naman na, parang 5 minutes walk lang and 2 minutes drive, we decided to eat there na lang para hindi na siya pupuntahan the next time. So ayun lang, we enjoyed naman the stay. The breakfast not so much, but at least, diba, naka-relax. So, I'll see you guys later, or I'll just show you guys later the food na kakainin namin sa Ichiryu. Bye! Hi guys! Time check, 1:30 p.m. and we're here sa Algorer. So, hindi kami nakahanap ng parking sa Ichiryu. Sayang, sana pala nilakad na lang namin. Kasi nasa likod lang siya talaga ng hotel, pero wala kami mahanap ng parking. So, we decided to go here sa Algorer and eat na lang sa Zamzam. Zamzam is a Mandi restaurant, so favorite namin doon, lalo ako. And ang tagal ko na hindi nagsasamsam, so I'm so happy! Nana, what's that?
Nakamera ko na yung garni, oh.
So, here, we're in the family room. Though they have chairs naman, pero wala kasing available chairs, tables and chairs for us. And dami namin.
Uy, hindi yan higaan.
Nakahiga kasi si baby.
Babalik yan.
Few seconds later. Ubos.
Dito, may mga... Yan na nga.
Sino dito?
Potato. Ay, hindi nga pala ito potato mo. Sweet ko.
Ikaw, Sen.
This one is free lang. Tapos meron din kasamang black tea. Oh no! Lalagtang po! Wala siya ng ano. Hey guys! It's March 28 and we're currently getting ready because we'll be going to another hotel. Yes po, opo, mag-hotel na naman po ang mga tao na to. At this point, weekly na kaming nasa hotel. Pero madami kasing mga sale na hotel, maybe because of the situation. Siguro wala masyadong mga tourists, I don't know, pero ayun. Nag-sale yung Heritage sa may Alsif. And 225 dirhams lang siya per room. So, for 2 adults na yun. Meron na din siya kasamang breakfast and dinner buffet. So, that's new kasi usually breakfast buffet lang kami.
We're going to hotel.
I just bought something here sa Medina. And just like that, ang init na ulit here sa Dubai. So, kahapon kasi parang may storm, may bagyo. So, ang daming mga baha na mga areas. And ito actually dito, may baha din dyan kahapon. Although, konti lang naman. Pero, ayan, wala na agad. Parang nahigop na nila agad. We're in the car.
For the show, 'cause I'm gonna show you how it's done, done, done.
It's the famous McDonald's here in Alsip. Hey guys, we're here. So I just ordered sa McDo because I haven't eaten lunch yet. Ang ganda here, pero hindi ko sure kung ito yung may disco every night kasi hapon pa lang. Hindi pala dito sa sa building na to yung hotel namin. Sa kabilang side pala siya. So nakasakay kami sa golf cart ngayon.
Oh no, Grandma!
I love you.
Hate you.
I love you. Yeah, untog.
I hate you.
Oh, I need the flower.
Hi.
Come on. Come on, girl. 500 dirhams. Like mine.
To the bed first.
Here's Bella's room. Katari's room.
I like the bed.
Here's the view. This is the other room. Chuboy, are you gonna swim? Chuboy. Chuboy. Huwag mo kainin yan. Swim, ikaw swim? Hindi maitit na si Bichoy. Ayun na, dalawa sa baba. Ang cute. Yung tit na Bicho. Life update. So, nakibihis na lang ako na Ate Karen. And, wala pa din yung room namin. May binigay na silang keycard, pero hindi siya gumagana. So, wala pa din kaming room. And yung room ni na Mami, wala pa din. Nakapang-gym lang ako ngayon kasi wala na akong pang-swimming.
Baby.
Swimming. Go.
Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
Tutura! Miming! Miming! Bumaba ka na kasi! Yeah. Pinupuwing mo naman masyado eh!
Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around.
So, here's our room, guys. Actually, same lang yung itsura niya. So, ganito lang yung bathroom, toilet, shower, and then my cabinets here, and my table. Then, ito na yung bed. Hi guys! So, nakaligo na ako. Hindi na ako masyadong nag-swimming kasi ang lamig. And we came back here sa taas to check yung deals nila for happy hour. So, buy one take one yung mga bottled beers, wines, and cocktails. Pero I don't know kung bibili kami kasi magdi-dinner na rin kami. Ang ganda lalo ng view. It's city lights. Hindi pa masyadong madilim, pero look. Wow. I'll miss this. Sa dami nang nangyayari sa Pinas. And how this country is handling it. I'll miss this. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Ganda. Lalo na to, oh my gosh. This view, OMG. This is literally the perfect spot to chill. Oh my gosh, the view is so nice. Burj Khalifa.
Ginugulo kami
Hi!
dito.
So, meron kasi silang waiting area. Ayan, waiting area nila yan. Actually, they said earlier na hindi daw buffet yung dinner. But seems like it is. Pero may certain area lang. And pag puno yung area na yun, nandun ka muna sa waiting area. So, eto, merong available seats indoor. So, eto, kami munang mga nauna. Kakain na kami. So, ayun. Buffet naman pala siya. Oh, falafel. Chicken. Asa plato? Wow, korma. Penne Alfredo. Ooh. Bread and butter. Penne Alfredo. Chicken. Roasted potato. Falafel. And rice. Soup. Ito kami kumakain. Mga lola at lola. Apo pa more. Hiling pa kayo ng apo ha? O, ayan. Alaga kayo. Hindi kayo makakain. I'm just holding Nemo. Daddy, Daddy. Smile! Nemo? Smile! You want to go down? Go down? Wait lang.
Mapawit si Nana. Hindi,
Nasa
si
bahay
Bella
ba kayo?
si Bella nung
Yung
bata.
isa apak, yung isa nakahiga.
Iba din ang
Ay, sorry. Remove shoes. So, naglalaro lang sila doon kina mami. And, sinilip ko si na Anyan. Kinuha ko tong batang makulit. Kasi hindi pa siya natutulog. Ang saya niya, ang saya niya. Here! Nuni! Nuni! Kasi na mami, naglalaro lang sila doon ng barahan. Nagka-cards lang sila. Uy, antok na si Nuni. Are you sleepy? Yes or no?
Bye.
So yun nyo. Let's go home na.
Bye.
Go home ka na, Nuni. Go home ka na? Where are you going? Ayan, may dumagdag na batang makulit.
Don't remove it.
Time check, guys. It's currently 1 a.m. And kagaya nung sa hotel last time, may nag-alert na naman and may naririnig na naman kaming interceptions around the area. Like, parang mga 5 times na siya. May mga malalakas, may mga medyo hindi super lakas, pero ayun. Hopefully, wala naman like intense na mangyari na may malapit dito na something or yung bumaba pa kami ng hotel and everything. So, ayun. Nag-send naman na sila na ng alert. And, wait na lang natin maging okay. I'm not sure if makakatulog na.
Daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true.
Let's see. Dami na naman pagkain.
I'm waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like too much. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since
Bumabahan na ako here sa lobby kasi hindi na ako makaakyat sa floor namin, sa first floor, kasi hindi na gumagana yung keycard namin. I think need mo siyang dalhin dito sa baba dapat para until 2 p.m. siya. Pero ayun, hindi na siya gumagana. So, hindi na ako makaakyat or hindi na ako makababa sa first floor. So, I decided to just stay here instead and wait for them to go down.
Where did you go?
I went up and then I went down.
Isa.
Yo, lagot ka, lagot.
Sleeper.
Bye.
Kabir.
Wow, thank you! You're so foggy! You're so foggy! Oo. Bakit may nakawala? Huwag ka nang kumawala. Alis na tayo. Ano ya? Bahala ka, madapa ka dyan ah. Batang nagtatampo pa. Paalis na kami.
Hindi.
Hi!
YouTube.